So we've been getting a lot of questions from our fans lately about getting started in MIG welding. In today's video, I'm going to go over the basics. We'll cover the tools, safety gear, and the raw materials you'll need to jump right into MIG welding. It may seem obvious, but the first thing you're going to need is a place to work. I'm using a basic wooden frame workbench where I've installed a piece of 14 gauge sheet metal and some 1x1 angle iron. I use this for a template for my 90-degree corners. So once you've got your workstation set up, it's time to pick up some welding supplies. You want to find a place with everything you need, including friendly local service and expert advice. So you don't want to be intimidated. Get to know the folks at your local welding supply store. Hey Jeff, what's going on, buddy? The first thing on the list is a good home welder, and welding shops are sure to carry top-of-the-line entry-level equipment. The clamps and pliers you'll need will vary with each project. You'll need a variety of grinder discs for cutting, grinding, and polishing. Before you start welding, invest in a nice pair of MIG welding gloves, as well as a set of leather sleeves and an apron. Protect your eyes. Find yourself a good quality auto-darkening hood. If you're not set up to use shielding gas, you'll need inner shield flux core wire. But because I use standard weld mix gas, I'm going to grab some regular welding wire. I need two more things. I need a 030 welding tip, and I need a refill on my welding gas. Right on. That'll do it. Very much. So now that we got all our gear, let's head on over and get some steel. When you're first starting out, you don't need a truckload of steel. Take time to find a local fab shop for your metal supply. We get our metal from locally owned family business Glaser Steel. Because it's places like these that have all the metal you need and then some. This is where we get our 4x8 sheets of sheet metal. They've got plenty of tools to help you get started. Be sure to ask them about their scrap pieces. It's the best place to start. Alright, so now that you've got everything you need, let me show you just how easy it is to get set up. And you just feed this through here. And it'll feed right through here. This just goes right back on. So I always just hang this over the top of my bottle. All right. So now that you got everything set up, you just need something to weld on. You just happen to have it right here. You got it, buddy. Hey, so now that you're ready to weld, be sure to go check out my series, Sheet Metal Art for Beginners. It's the perfect project to start with. And if you have any questions, be sure to come see me in person over at Helpouts by Google. And be sure to check out my pre-cut, do-it-yourself welding kits over at mitchelldillman.com. Thanks for watching. see you again next week.